Hey y'all, welcome back to Shelly's Homestead Hideaway. Today, you are going to journey along with me as I make, for the first time ever, fire cider. Okay, I have decided that I wanted to try making fire cider, and yes, it's a little late in the season to be making it, but it's still good, right? Any time of the year. So I'm going to take you guys along with me. I have some ginger here. I have, which I had never seen before, horseradish root, all cleaned off. I have, and I don't know if I have enough now. I've got some habanero peppers. I have some oregano. I've got rosemary, and I have some thyme. In addition to that, I also have some whole peppercorns, white onion, red onion, and lemons. I am going to be using, because I don't have fresh turmeric, I'm going to use turmeric powder. And last but certainly not least, I've got raw organic apple cider vinegar. So what I'm going to do, I have 4 of these up here, but I'm not sure if I have enough ingredients for 4. So I'm going to start out by making 2. And then if I have enough, or I'll start out by filling the containers of 2 of these containers. And then if I have enough ingredients, then I'll go ahead and do a 3rd one. And then ultimately a 4th one. Oh, one more thing. I've got fresh garlic here as well. So I am going to go ahead and start chopping this stuff up, get it added to the jars, and then I will be adding it into the jars.
Ha! Hey, groovy pop, funk with claps and bounce, sing a billin'. Hey, groovy pop, funk the claps and bounce. Take a breath real slow. Smells like sunshine with a little bit of woe. Natural glow, yeah, you know the vibe. It's wellness with the wink. Now step inside. Apple cider vinegar with the mother inside. Ginger root dancing, got that natural pride. Lemon, orange, citrus glow. Clean ingredients, let the good stuff flow. White onion, red onion layer, just right. Enter kitchen wisdom meets a modern life. Turmeric, golden, peppercorn pop. Every single piece earns a spot at the top. This not a trend, it's a ritual. From the earth, yeah, it's original. One small sip, feel it spark. Light it up, body to heart. Sip the fire, don't fear the flame. It's bold, it's bright, it wakes your name. From your head to your toes, let the goodness flow. Sip the fire, let your wellness flow. Sip the fire, strong but true. Natural power made for you. Little bit of heat, lot of love inside. Sip the fire, take it in stride. Habanero saying I came to play. Horseradish root clears the way. Diamond, rosemary, oregano too. Flavor got layers, yeah, this brew is true. You might blink once, you might laugh twice, but your body knows when something's nice. It's got that kick, but it's kinda okay. Strong stuff made the friendly way. Mini book, sip it slow. Feel it warm, then let it go. Sip, 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 sip that fire. Tiny taste, big time pound. No lab coats here, just jars and care. Hands in the kitchen, love in the air. Pass down wisdom, bottled bright. Good for you, goodness, day or night. Morning boost or midday reset. This is the best habit you haven't met. Share it round or keep your own little daily ritual, homegrown tone. Set the fire, don't fear the flame. It's bold, it's bright, it wakes your name. From your head to your toes, let the goodness flow. Set the fire, let your wellness glow. Set the fire, brave and kind, feel good heat. choice every day. Simple habits go a long way. So breathe it in, feel the calm. Nature's working, no alarm. One small choice every day. Simple habits go a long way. Set the fire, yeah, yeah. Feel it working, oh yeah. Natural strength from root to peel. If it's homemade, you know it's real. Set the fire, here we go. Wellness you can taste and know. Smile, sip, repeat with pride. Set the fire, keep it by your side. Hey, hey, sip it slow. Let the heat, respect the heat. Love the glow. Hey, hey, new beat pop, out the classness.
Taste something and your body say thank you. Yeah, this one do that. Apple cider vinegar with the mother inside. Ginger root dancing got my system alive. Lemon, orange, citrus glow. I feel it working slow, but I know. White onion, red onion, layer with care. Old school wisdom still meeting me here. Turmeric, peppercorn bite. Every little thing, it feels right. Yeah. Ain't nothing fake in this jar. Just roots, just fruit, just heart. I don't need convincing. My body already knows this part. Pretty rest, sip the fire, and I smell little heat, but it's gentle and wild. From my head down to my feet, yeah, it's strong, but it's sweet. Oh, pretty rest, sip the fire, take it slow. Is the crime, gone and pour me another line. Habanero said, girl, I'm here. Horseradish, make it crystal clear. Thyme, rosemary, oregano too. Every herb in here came to do what it do. Might blink once, might laugh twice, but I know the difference between pain and nice. This ain't punishment, this is care. Strong love handled with prayer. Sip it, feel it, yeah. Sip it, good to me. Every way. Some things don't need a label. Some things just need a chance. I don't chase quick fixes. I believe in what's been planted by hand. Close your eyes, sip the fire, and I'm good. Every ingredient understood. Little spice, whole lot of love. Feels like a gift from above. The fire every night. Sip it slow, respect the heat.
right, y'all. Let me know how you like those songs. Vote for song 1 or song 2 in the comments. I love to hear your feedback. This was just a little something fun to do. All right, now, as I finish up building up these amazing jars, let's talk about fire cider and what it is and does. I know it looks spicy because it means business, but as you saw, it's all natural and it's all intentional. The bonus is that it starts, even though we put it in there last, it starts with the apple cider vinegar with the mother, and that is great for digestion and gut balance. It helps your body actually absorb what you're giving it. Then there's ginger. That's for inflammation and circulation. It brings warmth. It helps everything move the way it should. And the onions, both white and red, those are immune support powerhouses. They've got sulfur compounds that help your body defend itself. And the onions, they're underrated. The same with garlic's cousin, horseradish root. That one helps clear congestion and it supports respiratory health. Is it just seasonal? No, it's more like daily support. The citrus, lemon, and orange adds vitamin C and brightens everything. It's not just helpful, it actually tastes good. And yep, there's thyme, rosemary, oregano. Those are antimicrobial and antioxidant rich. They've been used forever for immune and respiratory support. And then there's turmeric. That's the anti-inflammatory gold, especially paired with whole peppercorns. Now, if you notice, I was putting peppercorns, or what I thought was peppercorns, in there, and I realized that it was allspice, so I had to use pepper instead. But it is better to use peppercorns in concoctions such as this. The pepper actually helps your body absorb the turmeric better. And then we've got the habanero, and that's the spark. It boosts circulation and your metabolism and reminds you this is alive. Is it just spicy for fun? No. Every ingredient earns its place. Fire cider isn't about fear, it's about feeling supported naturally. So, the next time you have the opportunity to have some fire cider, and I definitely encourage you to make your own, pour a small sip. That's all you need. A small sip. Sip it slow and respect the fire.